morning children, how are you? Did you notice me? Yes, I am your math teacher. In the previous video we have discussed some concepts, right? Today we are going to learn some interesting topic, that is concept of bigger and smaller. Okay, what is bigger and what is smaller? Let me show something. See, what are these? These are one and this is small. How we can define? What are these? I think these are balls, right? Yes, I have two balls with me. Are you able to see these balls? Yes, this is the bigger ball and this is a smaller ball. When we put these balls together, we can find the difference between two balls. How we can notice this is bigger? Because this is bigger in size and this is smaller in size. Let me show another example. I have two beautiful pots here. Yes, this is the bigger pot and this is the smaller pot. How we can notice this is bigger and this is smaller? When we keep these pots together, we can find the difference between two pots. This is bigger in size and this is smaller in size. Yes, this is bigger in size and this is smaller in size. When we keep these pots together, we can find the difference between bigger and smaller. Let me show another example. I have two paper cups here. This is the bigger cup and this is a smaller cup. How we can find the difference between bigger cup and the smaller cup? When we put the two cups together, we'll find the difference. Yes, this is the bigger one and this is the smaller one. Are you able to notice? This is the bigger cup and this is the smaller cup. Let us trace some examples here. See the concept of bigger and smaller. Here I have some balls. Let me count these balls. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have 4 balls here and I have 1 and 2. 2 balls. Tell me which is bigger, 4 or 2? Yes, which is bigger, 4 or 2? I have 4 balls in this hand and I have 2 balls in this hand. How we can say that 4 is bigger and 2 is bigger? Because 4 is more in number. We have 4 balls, we have 2 balls. We have 4 balls more in number. 2 is always smaller than 4 and 4 is always bigger than 2. How we can, in symbolic way, how we can say that 4 is bigger? We have to point the 4. How to identify this symbol? This is the symbol of greater than. This is the symbol of bigger than. Let me explain how to trace this symbol. This is the symbol of greater. Let me help you to trace this symbol. This is a symbol called greater than. This is a symbol called greater than. Here I have 3 points. 1 point in one end and 2 points in another end. Let me help you to trace this symbol. This is a symbol called greater than. What is this symbol called? This is the symbol of greater than. How to identify this symbol? We have 1 point in one end and 2 points in another end. We already know that 2 is bigger than 1. Then we can say that we have 2 points at the bigger side and 1 point at the smaller side. This is the symbol of greater than. The symbol I have used here is greater than. Why? Because 4 is bigger than 2. I have 2 more balls than 2. Then we can say that 4 is bigger than 2. 4 is greater than 2. Let me tell you another example. Here I have some stars, right? Let me count how many stars are here. 1, 2. There are 2 stars here. And I have more stars. Let me count how many stars are here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have 5 stars here. Let me know that there are 2 stars here and 5 stars here. Which is the bigger one? Tell me which is the bigger one? 5 is bigger, right? I already said you 2 is bigger than 2 is smaller than 5 and 5 is bigger than 2. We already know that the smaller ending should have 1 point and the bigger ending should have 2 points, so that 2 is smaller than 5, what we have to use? We have to use the symbol of 2 points. Yes or no? Yes. 5. I have 2 stars here and I have 5 stars here. We already know that the bigger end has 2 points and the smaller number has 1 point. Let me join all these dots. Yes, this is the symbol of greater than. Why we can say this is greater than? Because they have 2 points facing towards number 5 and we have 1 point facing towards 2. So that 2 is always smaller than 5 and 5 is always bigger than 2. Now let's find another example. See, I have many leaves here. Let me count how many leaves are here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have 5 leaves this side. 1, 2 and 3. I have 3 leaves this side. Now let's check which is bigger and which is smaller. We already know that the bigger number has 2 points and the smaller number has 1 point. Let me join all these dots like this. We already know, yes or no? 5 is always bigger than 3 and 3 is always smaller than 5. How can you say that 3 is smaller? Because 3 has 1 point and 5 has 2 points. So 5 is greater than 3. Let me say another example. I have many candles here. Let me count how many candles are here. 1, 2 and 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let me know you which is the bigger one and which is the smaller one. I have 3 candles here and I have 6 candles here. Which one is bigger? 6. And which one is smaller? 3. How we can say that 6 is bigger? We have to put 2 dots in the bigger end and 1 dot in the smaller end. Let me join all these dots. We already know that bigger number has 2 endpoints and smaller number has 1 point. So that 3 is always smaller than 6 and 6 is always bigger than 3. Let me show some another examples in the numeric form. We already learned the numbers from 1 to 10, right? This is 3 and this is 5. I have 5 and 3. Yes or no? Which is the bigger number? 5 is the bigger number and 3 is the smaller number. How to identify 5? We have to use the symbol, right? What symbol? Symbol of greater than. How we can identify the 5 is bigger? Because 5 have 2 points and 3 has 1 point. Join all these dots, then we'll get the symbol of greater than. 3 is smaller than 5 and 5 is bigger than 3. Next, coming to another example, I have 2 numbers here, 8 and 2. Here I have 8, here I have 2. Which is bigger? 8 is bigger and 2 is smaller. How to show that 8 is bigger? We already know that bigger number has 2 points, smaller number has 1 point. Join these dots, we'll get the symbol of greater than. 8 is greater than 2. The number 8 is greater than 2. Next example. Let me show the another example. I have number 4 here and I have number 1 here. Which is the bigger number? 4 is the bigger number and 1 is the smaller number. How to identify 4 is bigger? We know that the bigger number has 2 dots and the smaller number has 1 dot. Let me join all these dots. Yes, 4 is bigger than 1. Number 4 is always bigger than number 1. Next, let me show another example. Here I have number 6 and here I have number 1, 0, 10. We already know that the bigger number has 2 dots and the smaller number has 1 dot. Join these dots. Yes, 6 is always smaller than 10 and 10 is always bigger than 6. Once again we repeat this. 3 is smaller than 5 and 5 is bigger than 3. Next, number 8 and number 2. number 8 is bigger than 2 and 2 is smaller than 8. Next, I have 4 and 1. When we compare 4 and 1, 4 is always bigger than 1 and 1 is always smaller than 4. Next, I have number 6 and number 10, 1, 0, 10. When we compare 6 and 10, 10 is always bigger than 6 and 6 is always smaller than 10. This is how we can identify the bigger numbers and smaller numbers. What the symbol we use to identify bigger numbers and smaller numbers? The symbol of greater than. How to identify the symbol of greater than? We have two dots in the bigger side and one dot in the smaller side. This is a symbol of greater than. Hope you all have understood the concept of bigger and smaller. Let me give some activity today. After watching this video, you just go through your house and search the smaller and bigger objects in your house. List out few bigger and smaller objects in your house. Thank you. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.